Hi, this is Abraham Kanz again, the Director of Conservation Research here at the Crane Trust, and I'm here to bring you another crane tracking update. So if you look at the map right here, you can see these are the routes that we had our 5 previously trapped cranes travel to make it to Nebraska. And if I jump us one more section ahead, there we go, we can see that during March, we have some more movement of the cranes. There's a lot of use here around the Platte River, and we kind of went over some of this last time. And you can see we also have this crane, the one that went to Siberia, over here in the western side of Nebraska. If I zoom in here, you will also see that we have a bunch of new colors actually. And those are the other cranes that we captured during this crane season and placed trackers on. So there is kind of a mess of different colors on here now, kind of hard to distinguish some of them. So I may eventually start updating the map, maybe multiple maps, maybe something, I don't know, some way to distinguish them better. I'll think on it. Let me know if you have any suggestions for that. But, as we get, later into March, and then I'll do one more jump to the end of March, beginning of April. There we go. We see that we have these cranes continuing their migration north. So some of our cranes have already made it up into Canada. We have 2 that are in Minnesota. And we have a lot in North Dakota and South Dakota. Just as a reminder, if you haven't been keeping up with the blog, we have 15 cranes now that have, 16 cranes, 16 that have trackers on them now. So just really cool. We were able to get trackers placed on a ton this year, and really awesome to see the success of our trapping team. But we have to zoom in here in order to see we have different colors. The orange over here, this starting to run out of good colors too. Oh, that one's just the black dots. But you can go into this map for yourself and kind of look at the placement of all these different cranes. We have gray, we have light blue now, and you can just see how they're all moving up through South Dakota and through North Dakota, continuing on their migration to eventually reach their nesting grounds up north. Likely in Canada. These 2 in Minnesota may already be at their nesting grounds actually. There is a nesting location in this area of Minnesota. So just really cool to see all of that. And I look forward to bringing you guys the next update as these cranes continue their migration and get to where they'll be spending the summer. Thanks.